The takeoff of aircraft from an aircraft carrier is one of the important techniques in modern military operations. For an aircraft carrier, the ability to launch combat aircraft from its deck is a crucial aspect. However, sometimes aircraft carriers have to operate in narrow or restricted waters, resulting in shorter takeoff distances. In this video, we will explain how aircraft are able to take off from an aircraft carrier with a short distance. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we are more motivated. First and foremost, modern aircraft carriers are equipped with highly sophisticated and complex aircraft launch systems. The primary system used for launching aircraft from an aircraft carrier is the Catapult-Assisted Takeoff Barrier Arrested Recovery (CATO system. In this system, aircraft are launched using a launching assistive device, typically a steam catapult that utilizes steam to provide additional thrust to the aircraft during takeoff. In the case of short takeoffs, aircraft carriers can also employ another method called short takeoff but arrested recovery (STOVL). This method is commonly used by smaller-sized aircraft carriers or carriers operating in restricted waters. In the STOVL method, aircraft use higher speeds and steeper takeoff angles to take off from the aircraft carrier deck. Furthermore, aircraft designed for short takeoff from aircraft carriers also have several special features. For example, they are equipped with folding wings to maximize the use of space on the limited deck of the aircraft carrier. These wings can be folded when the aircraft is on board the carrier to minimize the aircraft's width and facilitate storage below deck. Moreover, there is an important role played by the aircraft carrier crew and ground personnel in this takeoff process. Prior to aircraft takeoff, ground personnel responsible for aircraft operations will perform safety checks and ensure the readiness of the aircraft. They will ensure that the aircraft is in a flight-ready condition and compliant with established safety standards. When the aircraft is ready for takeoff, the pilot will follow instructions from the air traffic control officer on the carrier to ensure a safe departure. The pilot will adjust the speed and takeoff angle of the aircraft according to the specified conditions and parameters. Then, the aircraft will be launched with the assistance of a catapult or using the appropriate speed and takeoff angle for short distances. After takeoff, the aircraft will maneuver in the air to maintain altitude and stability before proceeding with their assigned mission. Upon completing the mission or task, the aircraft must return to land on the aircraft carrier. For landing, the aircraft carrier is equipped with a system called arresting gear, used to safely stop the aircraft after landing. Overall, the takeoff of aircraft from an aircraft carrier with a short distance involves complex technologies and procedures, as well as cooperation among the aircraft carrier crew, ground personnel, and pilots. With the use of advanced launch systems and specially designed aircraft carriers are capable of efficiently and safely launching combat aircraft, even in short-distance situations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future interesting information.